Carrie Price. Tyler Charles, my man, what this guy's in?
I'm so far behind doing videos because I wanted to make sure I got those brake things done. Didn't want people waiting. I'm so far behind, it's sickening. It's got to be like 3 weeks worth because of this stupid thing. Look at how my hair just got ripped. There's this big patch of hair that's missing. I think the poison, the pus, the ooze, whatever it's called, I think it destroyed my hair follicles. There's just a big patch missing. Okay, I'm just gonna show you stuff I bought, and that's that, and get it out of here. Look at this couch. It's crazy. I'm gonna estimate this is gonna take 15 videos to get all this stuff. Okay, this is on the very top over here. The best thing I got in the last 3 weeks. Now that's the way to start off a video. This box is a little smashed, but who cares? Can't believe these things I think were $49.98. $49.98 a piece. The shipping was $6. The tax was $6. Alright. Oh, I know what this is. I just started buying these last couple of days too. They're so cool. If it is what I think it is. Yeah, because I saw that Bumblebee car. I don't even think I showed it to you yet. I started buying these Harleys. They are so cool. They're only $4.97 or something. These are fully detailed. There's a list of 6 different ones. I think I have all of them because I just started buying them. I thought they were so cool. And pretty sure they were $4.97. Could have been $5.97, but I could be wrong on either of them. But I'm pretty sure they were $4.97. So, okay, we've got 12 minutes to do as much as we can. I forget where this was. This might have been at the Wilkes-Barre Walmart. No, this one wasn't. There was 3 different kinds of Wonder Woman. Yeah, I don't know. These other 2 were definitely at the Wilkes-Barre Walmart. Hulk. How do you go wrong with the Hulk? Everyone loves the Hulk. That's just to complete the set. That's funny. There was everyone except for, of all people, Black Panther. I remember Black Panther was always at Newburgh, New York's location. Always there. When I needed it for my set, I think I got 2 of them there. And there is chiller. And there is 10-inch, those gigantic ones like this Optimus Prime here. There's Black Panthers up in Tunkhannock. There was multiple ones. Someone bought one, so now it's down to 1. So I asked the guy there, and he said, yes, Suicide Squad, baby. But anyway, so I asked the guy, I said, wow, you guys sold a Black Panther. He goes, yeah, it was some black guy. I start laughing. I go, what do you mean? He's like, yeah, it was a black guy. He came and said that that's his favorite superhero. So he bought it. I was like, oh, that's cool. These are so sweet, these ETBs. There's one. Oh, by the way, these purchases, all the stuff that I just showed you, the Bloodsport pop and the 2 Chilling Reigns and the 2 footballs and the 2 of these, they're all from Barnes & Nobles in Wilkes-Barre. I think this one was like the coolest looking one. I don't even remember which one is Bloodsport or who played them, but this is just so cool. I mean, seriously, that's like the coolest looking. That's one of the coolest looking Funkos I've ever seen. It's just phenomenal. Why are you being a scum? I don't understand it. Oh. Thought it was the pink uniform, the pink unicorn, Galarian Rapidos or whatever his name is. But it's not. It's just Calyrex's. Oh, this is Allen Ginter. Okay, got an Allen Ginter. Oh, they do? Okay, cool. Scums. I love the way the boxes just fall all the time. I did one with the Ice Rider and one with the Dark Rider. And Allen Ginter. This must have been. Oh, yep, big H. There it is. I was going to say, because I don't remember getting 3 things like that. Oh. This is from so long ago. This has to be a couple weeks now. This is from Barnes & Noble. Doesn't say what day. Looks like 8/15. I think that's a Sunday. So I got this guy because it looked cool. You know, the Juggernaut from Dota 2. I don't even know what that is. Of course, I'm going to get this whenever I see one. Pikachu. Receipt. 50% off of Young Anna. I'm sorry, Young Elsa. 50% off of Young Anna. How do you go wrong? 50% off Pikachu and Juggernaut. Now, for the jerk that fell. Ooh. All I saw was Thor came flying out of the bag when it fell. Good thing it fell about maybe 3 inches. Pristine box. Thor. I remember when I couldn't find him, I was looking all over. I've got 3 of them now. 2 for sets and 1 just a loose one. That's like an Avengers series. Oh, Doctor Strange. I couldn't remember who the other one was in that set. Alright. It's a good chunk. How much time? We have 5 minutes. I could end this early. Maybe I should get this out of the way. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. This thing is like smashing me in the legs here. Alright. It's 2 more. It's another Barnes & Noble's day. Let's see here. This is 8/21, so that's like, I think that's a Saturday. Yeah, if the 15th is Sunday, then it's got to be Saturday. Alright. They're so lucky to have me. They don't have any sports cards, so I keep going up and buying different stuff. I got another Dark Rider. And ice. The ice is nice. All those Calrexes. They're sweet cards. I don't love them. Okay. The only thing that Barnes & Noble's had over the last, I think, might be 3 weeks, at least the last couple, have been hockey. Oh, and I forgot, I got 2 lunch boxes, too. How did I put this upside down? It's funny, because I've gotten these ones before, and these ones are like solid metal. The last ones I got, they were like plastic. I don't know if it's a different year. I'm not sure what's going on. These ones are heavy and sturdy. And these are actually good for the kids to take. Because it's funny. I was at other places. And there was, I was at the Wilkes-Barre Walmart. And the one lady's like, well, why don't you buy these Pokemon lunch boxes? And I'm like, well, I have a couple already. Plus, I could get them at, there's at least 3 or 4 different stores that sell them. I said, Barnes & Noble always sells them cheaper. I said, but you know, last time I was at the Barnes & Noble, there was like 5 of them left. They started off with about 18 of them. And I bought those 2, and a couple of my buddies bought some. And, you know, other guys come in, they buy some. But there was either 3 left or 5 left. I don't remember. Because there was like 2 pairs, and then it had to be 5. And he said, well, why don't you take these? And I said, I'm leaving them for kids. Like, that's what they're supposed to be. I said, I just took a couple just because I thought they were cool. But, I mean, Jesus, if I took those every single time I went, the kids wouldn't get any. So it's ridiculous. All right, whatever this is, I'm going to do this next. These boxes behind me are just driving me up a wall. Alright. Okay. Remember this one. I'm not going to pull them all out. 10 boxes of Chronicles. There's a stupid sticker on there. Why would they put that sticker on there? They put it on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all 10 of them. All 10 boxes of that goofy sticker on them. Alright, there's also Allen and Ginter. There's also a... These things dried up really quick. Gypsy Queen. And I think this is a Series 2 Blaster. I want to say this is the one that has 99 cards in it. Seven 14 card packs. Yep, that's 98. Plus the bonus card is 99. When did I get these? Yeah, because I was sick with the spider bite since like July. I've been out of it for a while. August 13th I got these in the mail. Got them on a Target drop.